Alright you guys, I am back in Target. So it's only been a day, the next day pretty much, since I put the Target video out with Halloween. And you know what, it's already condensing because Jabber and Jack, there was more boxes. The ticket guy 30, until next time will be 30. You know, he lights up, he makes noise. There's only one. How crazy. Let me see.
Happy Halloween to all who pass. I would love to join you, but I'm stuck here, alas. Spookiest costume that I've ever seen. So have a very happy Halloween. You may see that sadly, I don't have any candy.
On top, these are 20 by Hyde and Eek. The cemetery, get the skull. I like the ghost one. I like how you put the ghost on the ground like that. That's actually quite neat. Then you get a few hanging ones. This one's going to be 20 as well. And he is 20. Pirate Tower. It looks like a pirate because he has like a little eye patch. Wow, that is $30. You need a spine. Oh, it's not a spine. Snake for 15. That's a snake one. The large will be 20. Bone Daddy for, is he 20? Ah, he's 40. Oh, look at this one. That's a new one. Let's see, $20.
We can find you a really cute witch costume.
Oh, Fred. Over here. Have a go out and throw me some candy.
Let's see, 35.
Hey, over here. Nice costume. Take it.
And this tall one, the trio, will be 35 as well. I don't know. How do you guys feel about the sayings this year? Just gonna light up here. And on the ground, that is actually quite cute. $15. He reminds me of the skeleton from the cab driver from Halloween Town. And oh my gosh, you guys, the lights are like sold out. We have one skeleton guy over here. He is 20. Again, looks like Grim. We have Jack. He's back. And the cat one. No price on this, but these are $2. These are like for little children. The cat and a really cute ghost. Let me turn him around.
Excuse me. Please help me get down. I'm late for a party and I'm the ghost of honor.
That's 25. I'm not feeling him.
Your time has come.
This one's gonna be 30.
Now, there is no turning back.
And this guy's 20. He's just gonna light up. I don't think he says anything. We have the ghost. He is 30. And then your pumpkin will be 25. And 35 for this guy.
Hey! Oh, jeez! You scared me so bad I almost wet my sheets! Trick or treat, smell my feet! Hey! Wait! Now where did they go? I know they were around here somewhere. Don't eat so much candy, okay? Because your teeth might fall out. And then you'll have to eat applesauce all the time. Yuck!
Okay. And this guy, these are 10. They're just gonna light up.
You might want decoration.
Oh, attention. Look at this ghost. Then we have this one. And 30 for the lady.
Happy Halloween. Come for the candy and you might.
Wouldn't it be cool if she had an alien head? Oh, she's kind of like an alien. I do think he's cute. He is 10. He does light up. And then more of the pumpkins. I found one, a velvet one. Oh, wow. Halloween is not over. And I feel like it's getting over, but it's not. I'm looking for these signs. Actually, you can find them online. I believe they're 35. The Grim one is sold out already, huh?
Oh yeah, he is.
$40. Trick-or-treaters stop here. And that's a kind of a cool light post. I think it talks. Oh, it lights up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Is this all they have? Yeah.
The rest looks like costume.
Yeah, and everything else is going to be like a costume. See, these pumpkins are 8. The large at the bottom are 12. Here's a ghost guy for 25. And I think it might repeat itself. It's like someone tickling a ghost. I don't know. The cat, and of course these pumpkin one. So they're 10. And it looks like this is 5. $10 for the pumpkin candy jar. Want a little minion mug. I'm not too sure on the price of him. Just found him randomly. I have Happy Halloween at the bottom. A lot of items are misplaced, you know. The painting pumpkin is 5. Oh gosh, this can't be it. I'm just really surprised it's like condensed so fast. I was just here the other day. Look, all these pumpkins are like pretty much gone. Oh, my friend. Look at this Stitch guy. He's cute for 5. Oh, here's the... Oh, look, they have the pear today. How funny. These are 5. You want a strawberry? They're $5. Don't forget your bell pepper. And then the skull is 10. Mondo llama, $5. You have the cat and pumpkin. I got this pumpkin one and a cute ghost. The ghost is actually cute. Does it light up? It does light up. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. These are $11 and 12 and 11 for Oktoberfest. Thank you so much for joining me on the walkthrough. Hopefully I could come back or go to a different location and they have some more items, like even fall. That's crazy.